Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, the cigarette lighter socket fuses, where you can expect to find them. Now we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. What we need to do, guys, we need to open the hood. Once you open your hood, in front of the car battery, on the driver's side, you see that cover? That's your fuse box. What you need to do, here you have two tabs. Press them, it will open. On the inside, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, for the cigarette lighter socket, for the cigarette lighter, which two fuses we need to check. Now if you want to check the fuses for the center console cigarette lighter or the rear seat cigarette lighter, guys, we have those videos on our channel too. Here you may have one or two fuses, depending on the model and year. One of them is fuse number 39, that you may need to check right here, guys. Fuse number 39. Another one that you need to check will be your main fuse. If you come in this row here, we're talking about fuse number 93, that 20 amp fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.